Welcome to another GeneralAire video demonstrating how to perform maintenance on your 4400A Fan Assist Evaporative Humidifier. Prior to performing maintenance, be sure to remove power from the 4400A by unplugging the cord from the outlet. Remove the outer cover by lifting out from the bottom and lifting off the top tabs. Release the door latch and open the hinged door. Pull out the vapor pad and vapor pad frame from the top of the chassis and lift out of the unit. Pull the water distribution trough off from the top and discard the used vapor pad. Once you have discarded the used vapor pad, clean the vapor pad frame with water and vinegar should you find sediment present. Some sediment may tend to be stubborn, and you can use a soft cloth to gently coax it away. Insert a new vapor pad into the vapor pad frame and place back into the chassis of the humidifier. Close the hinged door and replace the outer cover. Restore power and turn the humidifier on. With regular maintenance, your 4400A will provide health, comfort, and asset protection for many years to come. Join us for other informative videos on www.generalaire.com. Breathe healthier with GeneralAire.